Hello, this is Jennifer Stanton here with a quick video tip. The question here is, how do I get kiosk mode to work in Knox Manage? Kiosk mode is a couple of different things all at once. So first we're going to go over to Kiosk and we're going to build a kiosk. So you just click on Add and create either a multi-app kiosk, which allows several applications on a home screen, or a single app kiosk, which doesn't actually have a home screen. It just opens one application at a time. So for this, I'm just going to grab a kiosk that I already have built so that I can show you. This one I created to show off for Pizza Hut. And this is a multi-app kiosk, which allows me to drag and drop applications onto the home screen. I can place them wherever I want. Once you create this kiosk, you'll just click Save, and that actually builds a file that can be installed onto the device. So this is an application. It has a package name and everything that gets installed onto the device. But you've just created the kiosk. You haven't assigned it to anyone. You haven't applied it to anyone. To assign the kiosk, you have to do that in the profile. So you open up a profile and you click on Modify Policy, or you create a profile. And in here there is a kiosk section right down here. This is where you choose the kiosk that you want. In this case, I created a multi-app kiosk. So I'm going to select multi-app, and then I'm going to click on Add. If I click Add New, it's going to allow me to create or to build a brand new kiosk. In this case, I already have the kiosk built. I just need to add it. So click Add and choose the kiosk that you just created. Under here, there are some utilities settings. I highly recommend opening this up to allow. That way you can choose whether or not to have a notification bar, a status bar, if you want to allow access to the recent apps key. So definitely open that up. It is by default set to blank here, which means those options are missing. So you'll want to click allow and set some of these options. So system status bar is so important because that's where you see the battery icon and the signal strength icon. So definitely set some of those to allow. And then you'll want to hit Save and Assign. And here's where you assign the profile to a group, an organization, or a device, right? So you'll want to choose the group that you want to assign it to and click Assign and Apply. I hope that helps. But yeah, you'll create the kiosk in the kiosk section, and then you assign the kiosk in the profile. Now, another thing to note is that the device, let me go to the device here. The device actually has to be a fully managed type in order for the kiosk to apply. If it's not fully managed, it won't apply. So if you have a device that is, in fact, all of my devices are fully managed because that's just the most important method to use. But if you have one that says work profile, profile owner, I forgot the different types, but that just means that you enrolled the device after getting through the setup wizard. You can only get the device in fully managed mode by enrolling during the setup wizard. So you factory reset the device, and during the setup wizard, you enroll it. There are many different ways to enroll a device during the setup wizard, but that's the only way to get the device into fully managed mode. If you need help on this, you'll just click on this question mark, click on Manual, and you can open up the user guide, the documentation here. And this allows you to find enrollment options. So let me see here. I think it's under Configure, Enroll a Device. So once you get in here, this will show you the different ways to enroll a device. Here's the Android Enterprise, And then there's the different types: fully managed with work profile. Work profile, this doesn't allow a kiosk, so you'll want to be careful there. And here's how you can enroll as fully managed. You can use a token, you can use a QR code, you can use Knox mobile enrollment. Those are your options, but hopefully this helps you learn how to put a device in kiosk mode. Thanks.